Hey YouTube, it is windy out here. I'm gonna show you in just a minute how windy it is. I'll show you how windy it is. Okay, so if you look at the tree right here, it's not really good, but you can definitely hear that it's really windy out. But yeah, you can hear all the trees moving. And yeah, so it is really cold out today. Or no, not cold. It's windy. Well, here's like a good example. Look at my skirt. And then look at that right there. That's how windy it is, so I'll see you guys after school.
Hey YouTube, so I'm back home from school and look at that, my dog. She's licking herself. Biting her tail. Bella! But yeah, I came home from school. Me and like this one of my friends actually told my teachers about the reborn. And shockingly, she knew it was a doll right away. I don't know how. Yet I had to tell my teacher that I spent money on her. Like, because you guys know my baby Amelia. I always got my matching pacifiers for her, so she's cute. Amber knows she's a doll because Amber is another one of my friends that likes reborns, and she has one herself. So, yeah. And we are under a high wind warning. If you guys can hear the wind from this morning. Yeah, we are under a high wind warning, and I'm going to eat and come back to you guys later. Want something in? I'm going to end the vlog here. Bella, you want some ice cream? Want some ice cream? We'll go for what? Bella, wanna go to the vet? Guys, watch this. Bella, wanna go to the vet? Bella! Bella! Wanna go to the vet? Wanna go to the vet? I see your toe way. She probably doesn't like it. I'm show you how much ice cream I have. Just a complete bowl full. Look at that. My ice cream. So please comment and subscribe and comment down below what flavor you like for ice cream. I'm gonna watch a Good Luck Charlie movie, which is the Christmas movie. I love that movie so much. Good Luck Charlie Christmas. It's near Christmas. I don't know why I'm watching Christmas movies with Bella, my dog. So yeah, bye.